the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. Now, if you're new to songwriting, these are such good chords to get started with. I know it can sound really confusing, this whole idea of the numbers with chords and stuff, but essentially all I'm going to talk about in this is the fact that the G major chord, the C major chord, and the D major chord sound really good together. So if that's all you need to get you started writing songs, thanks very much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Check out the free chord sheets that I've left in the description box below. But if you want to go into a little bit more detail, essentially what we're talking about is the major scale. So I'm in G, so I'm just going to go G. We all know that sound. We're going to take the first note of that scale, the G note, the 4th note, which is C, and the 5th note, which is D. And the reason why the 1, 4, and 5 is a great place to start is because these are your major chords. So if you put the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord together in any key at all, you should know that they're the major chords within a key. G chord to a C chord. Now sometimes you might want to change this to a C add 9, that's really common. And then the D chord, but you don't have to go just use all 3 in that order. You know, there I'm just going back to G to C. Sounds great, sounds great like that. And then when you do it, that D chord, you can easily write a song with just that. That's the first variation I want to show you, but I also want to show you another way of doing it so you've got so much more to play with. So the next variation is going to be a C chord going to an F chord. Now you can play F any way you want to, you know, okay, any chord any way you want to be fair. You can play it like this, you could do the big bar chord version, you could do this kind of thing that I do all the time, this kind of hybrid of both. So we've got C, F and G, and that again is just a 1, 4, 5 chord progression, but I've just changed the key of it. But the reason I want to show you these 2 variations is because if you've got these 2 variations and you own one of these things, a capo, you can now play the 1, 4, and 5 chord progression in so many different places and in so many different keys. I could put the capo, let's just say at the 5th fret. I could play it with the G variation. I'm just going to play G, C to D in any order I want to, and it'll sound really nice. Put a capo, let's say on the 2nd fret, I'll be fine. I'll use the other variations, C, F, G. I'm just going to go C to F. Might just do C to F for a while. That could be like a verse section. Then I might want to change it up. So I might do that G to F. C. Might end it with a G. People get a bit bogged down with trying to make their chord progressions sound really complicated and really interesting, but sometimes the interesting thing should be what you're saying. So if you know what your song's about, use these chords as just a foundation for you to actually say the thing you want to say.